For the next anatomical terminology that we'll be looking at flexion and extension in anatomy. So this flexion and extension in anatomy, you are basically looking at the meaning of each terminology and the differences between flexion and extension. When somebody say flex, when somebody say extend in anatomy. All right. So it's simple. What is called flexed in the upper limb is opposite to what is called flexed in lower limb. But the similarity is what? Flexion simply means bringing something up. So to flex the arm, you are bringing it up like this. All right. To flex the leg, you are bringing it up, but it's opposite direction. That's what I mean. Okay. So to extend, you are relaxing it. Okay. You are relaxing it. You are relaxing the leg. That's what it means, extend. Okay. So let's look at these two terminologies where we talk about them individually, and you have to see the definition and the differences between. So for definition, we said that flexion is what? You are bending. Okay. So as you are bending, it is decreasing the angle between two parts of the body. Okay. So this as you are bending is coming up, the angle is what? Decreasing. Okay. Or simply you could take the explanation I gave earlier. All right. Example is bending your elbow or knee, which brings the forearm or the lower legs closer to the upper arm or thigh, respectively. Right? So let's talk about extension now. This one you are bringing it what? Away. Flexion is away. Away. Extension you are bringing it back to its normal what? Position. Right? So for extension now, it's like you are straightening the limb back. After you brought the limb like this, you are bringing it like this. That's extension. Okay? So it's like you are strengthening, it's a strengthening movement that increase the angle back. All right. So to increase the angle between what? Two body parts. Can you see the difference between the two terminologies now? So example is you are trying to like straighten your elbow or knee. All right. Which will move the forearm or lower leg away from the upper arm or thigh. Okay. So in conclusion, so that these movements are what essential for many daily activities and are involved in various joints throughout the body, such as the spine, the hip, the shoulder, the fingers, and all of that, right? So that's basically what's the flexion and extension in anatomy. Talking about the meaning, the differences between an example.